here with us.
Oh, it's recording. Okay, so tell me what you just said about how far away you'll live from me.
Either 20 or 0 miles.
So between 0 and 20 miles. And you promise?
Yes, that I'll come and visit you after work if I have a job then.
Every day.
Uh-huh.
So I can get my mommy snuggles?
A couple times.
A day?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So I can get my mommy snuggles?
Uh-huh, and we can also have tea time.
Nice. I love tea time with you.
Love tea time with you. Hey, Skeeter, say hi to the folks.
Hi, puppy.
Say hi to the folks.
Hi, puppy. Puppy. Hi, puppy.
This is our doggy, Skeeter.
Skeeter, can you look at Mama's hand? Look. Oh, pretty boy.
Good boy.
Hi, handsome.
Uh-huh.
Look at that pretty dog there. What do you think?
He's our pretty, pretty puppy.
And that's my pretty, pretty princess.
Mwah.
And we are getting in Mommy snuggles.
I was asking Skeeter, who is a good dog, and he licks me, and
Skeeter,
and
who's a
he
good dog?
nips me
Who's a good dog?
sometimes.
I am. I give her kisses. I'm a good
And
puppy.
sometimes he nipped at me because he was saying, "Hey, you already know that answer."
Me, silly me. So, you promise to give me snuggles every single day for the rest of my life?
Yes.
Yes. And that you will never live more than 20 miles away from me?
Yes.
You're so cute.
Hey,
I love you.
Puppy.
I hope that holds true, princess. I hope it does.
Hey, puppy.
Okay, bye, peoples.
Bye.